Today I want to talk about some potential issues you may have with your sewage tank. One issue you may run into, I've seen this over the years, is your check valve right here. See that flapper right there? What happens is that flapper goes bad and your sewage pump cannot pump the water through the pipes. When that happens, your sewage pump is going to remain on. It's not going to shut off. Another issue that I've seen over the years is with the high water float. The wiring from the high water float, it always amazes me when this happens, is that the hose is going to come inside. This is where your fan blades are. They're in this section right here. And it sucks up the cord. Therefore, your sewage pump will not run. And what it's going to do, it's going to trip the circuit breaker, and it's not going to turn on. So if you do run into that situation, what you're going to do is you're going to have to pull out. It can be pretty messy. I recommend having a 3M mask just to avoid the smell. What you're going to have to do is pull up. You do have a handle down here. You're going to obviously have to disconnect the power cords. Again, this is where your check valve is as well. These things, don't underestimate how heavy these are. It's always good to have buddy, friend, dad, uncle, brother, whoever to help you pick this up and take it outside. Now, for a little extra credit, what you can do is get your pressure washer set up and just do your best to get a lot of this crap off. Something else that I like to keep an eye out for are stickers or labels on the side. In this particular situation, there was a sticker right here that just had been faded and it was falling off. So the last thing I want to see happen is, again, a sticker goes up into the blades and causes some issue with the internals. A couple other things to look out for are, this is your hose clamp right here for your float. You want to make sure that's secured. Again, these are just like cars, guys. Some of these clamps that you'll see on here, just want to make sure everything is secure. You can keep an eye out for previous wear marks. Maybe there was a potential Sharpie mark that has been made on the unit. So take your time and you can save yourself a ton of cash.